I am Sri Hilmi from Physics UNS. Will present my paper with the title New Media and Green Behavior Campaign through CSR Collaboration. Next, background of the study. Various environmental problems such as global warming, water shortage, and noise have posed threats to environmental sustainability. The environmental difficulties that we face today aren't just global in scope, but also regional in nature. And one of these locations is the Karanganyar Regency. It is generally agreed that the rapid expansion of significant companies in Karanganyar is one factor that led to the onset of environmental issues in the region. On the other side, businesses in Karanganyar are aware of their obligation to the community. Companies now not only have responsibilities based on the aspect of economic profit, which is the value of the company that is reflected in its financial condition, but they also have to pay attention to the aspects of society and the environment, which is commonly referred to as the three bottom line. The notion of sustainable development relies on the harmonious interaction of these three components in order to be successful. Next, background of the study. As a business with its headquarters in Karanganyar, PT Indah Kawana Dunia has a moral obligation to assist the local community in effectively addressing issues related to the environment. The Harmony Foundation is a corporate social responsibility entity that was established by PT Indah Kawarna Dunia. In this instance, the corporation has carried out CSR activities for the benefit of the local community. These activities have taken the shape of, among other things, the refurbishment of houses of worship, the creation of Harmony Paut, and the implementation of Harmony Village. The Harmony Village is going to be the primary focus of this investigation. The Kampung Harmony CSR program is a long-term program that is intended to form a pilot village with high public awareness in terms of environmentally sustainability, such as in waste management, utilization of yachts, and effort to improve family economic conditions by improving the skills of housewives in home craft business. The goal of the program is to form a pilot village with high public awareness in terms of environmentally sustainability. The role of new media can be neglected of this green campaign through community development. Literature review. Considering the use of the internet significantly influences information and knowledge acquisition, individual attitudes, social relation, and social participation. it is meaningful to examine the effect of using the Internet on the individual's pro-environmental behavior. Zhang et al. Find that in China, Internet use makes people significantly less satisfied with the environmental quality and their living condition. The change of attitude towards a more efficient, green, and environmentally friendly lifestyle is urgent. The sharing economy and mobile payment are just typical examples, which have greatly improved personal resource utilization and reduced in the carbon emission in recent years. The methods. The residents of the Harmony Village in Karanganyar participated as the target population in these resorts. The community of Kampung Harmony will serve as the focal point for the corporate social responsibility efforts being undertaken by PT Indahko Warna Dunia. The primary methods of data collection were conducting interviews, making observations, and keeping written documentation. This research makes use of a technique known as source triangulation, which is a data validity method. The analysis, reduction, and presentation of the data in addition to the generation of results make up the three primary aspects of this research: result and discussion. The participation of new media and the process of the empowerment of communities is of critical significance. Utilizing new media to expand capacities is one example of environmental empowerment, which may be seen in a trust bank. The new media was successful in eliminating the reason that the Dukuh Dadakan community was less interested in learning and pursuing was creativity because the community was dominated by factory workers who had a shift work system. The reason for this lack of interest in learning and pursuing was creativity was because the community was dominated by factory workers. The findings from interviews with other informants indicate that the ease of access to information in Harmony Village is not only channeled through the Harmony Foundation, but residents have been able to access more information through social media to seek to achieve the sustainability of the program that have been implemented. And the greater the ease with which residents are able to access information, the greater the opportunities for the community to become independent and empowered. Conclusion. Based on the result, this research concludes that new media can be developed to help convey the message to the youth. New media can be used to support environmental programs through community development. This research could be an important contribution to develop